You know, some of the biggest questions that I get answered, the most common questions are about getting into contents restoration. You know, how much equipment do I need? How big a facility do I need? How do I hire good employees? What kind of training does it take? What marketing? How do I set up the marketing so that I get the contents jobs once I'm doing that kind of work? And you know, those are all super awesome, great questions. And I've done some videos in the past on that. But really, those questions are the right ones to be asking if you're wanting to get into contents restoration. And you really can't do them justice on a video. They really need to be gone deep into and really look at what you need, what systems and procedures to put in place, and just exactly how to go through those steps to execute all of that so you can set up your high profit contents division and set it up well and right from the start. Kevin and I have actually put together a half-day workshop that I want to tell you about on this exact topic, and it's getting into the high profit side of contents restoration. In the workshop, we're going to take each one of these questions and we're going to chunk them down and more, and we're going to go through that so you've got a clear understanding exactly what does it take to have a highly profitable, highly successful contents division in your company. I will tell you this, it doesn't take a 30,000 square foot warehouse. It doesn't take a ton of money on initial investment, and it's not highly equipment intensive to be able to get into contents and have a very profitable and successful contents division. However, I do also want to tell you that contents are crazy high profit margins. I mean, if you want to learn how you can, in short order, be able to go and add $10,000, $15,000, $25,000 a month to your restoration income, then you need to be at this workshop in Las Vegas, because that's the kind of things we're going to go in detail. And the workshop is the day before the Experience Conference and Trade Show. It's going to be September 4th. The trade show is September 5th, 6th, and 7th. And there are some great opportunities at the trade show to learn, get some hands-on demonstrations, and really expand yourself as a cleaner or a restoration contractor. Now, I also want to tell you that you need to act right now. The workshop is filling up, and there is a limited number of seats, and once that's full, that's it. We won't allow anyone else to register for that. And this is the first time that Kevin and I have done this to this degree. We really felt that we wanted to do this workshop because of all of the questions that I get asked all the time, and we get sent in to us about it. So I want to point out that today is August 2nd, Thursday. Saturday is August 4th. As Saturday is the end of the early bird special for our workshop. Now, how much is this workshop? You might be thinking, wow, is this going to cost me $300, $400, $500, Anissa? No, this half-day workshop is just $97. It is a phenomenal value. And right now, there's still early bird registration for the Experience event. So you can just come to the whole trade show, get all of that great free training that's going on there, and come to the workshop beforehand on September 4th, okay? So remember, you need to go to the experiencetheevents.com and register, and you need to do that by Saturday so that you get this awesome workshop that Kevin and I are doing, the High Profit Contents Workshop, for just $97. Now, if you mess up and you don't get it done by Saturday, well, you can still come, but it's going to cost you more. It'll cost $127 after Saturday. So be a smart cleaner. Just get over there right now, experiencetheevents.com, register for the event, and I will see you in Vegas in September. Wait, I almost forgot. I want to give you a free bonus just for signing up and registering to come to our half-day workshop in Vegas. Kevin and I did this awesome training, and it's called How to Get the Job, where we go into detail and share with you all the nuances, the tips, tricks, all the things that we do to close every job we go out on. This is a really powerful training and one that a lot of people have gone through and found valuable, and we just want to give it to you. And by the way, this doesn't just apply how to get the job to contents, it applies to restoration in general. Yep, so this is just a free bonus gift that we want to give you just for registering for the workshop. So get on over there, experienceevents.com, and get yourself registered today, and I will see you in Las Vegas.